In this video, we will learn about the main features of the administration module. This module is accessible from the main menu, illustrated by a toothed wheel. It is only accessible for users with an administrator profile. This module groups together various features, allowing you to configure and customize the application. First, user accounts, accessible via this link. Here you have a view of all users. With the possibility of creating a new user or view and modify existing users from this view. You can find the username, the email address or the role of the account concerned. If you click on one of the accounts, you can edit user information except for the username. You will also find a button to reset the password. First, make sure that the email address is entered correctly. Once you click on the button, the link is sent to the user's email address. You can also choose to activate or not a user account. This feature is important given the number of licenses available for the application. To view the available licenses, go to the License Management menu. You then have access to the total number of licenses, and the number of licenses used. You can also view the last connections, connection history, username and role. Regarding the features related to personalization, you first have the management of categories. This menu allows you to modify all the different drop-down lists present in the application, regardless of its original module, by clicking on a list. You will find here the drop-down list values with the wording in English and French. You can uncheck a box if you no longer want the value to be visible in the application. You can also add a new value by specifying the English and French labels. The management of indicators is done on the same principle. This menu works as a library. You can choose to add a new library or view an existing library by clicking on the A. You then arrive on a page including all the indicators available in the library via the form on the right. You can add a new indicator to this library. You can also update the indicators by double-clicking on the different cells or delete them with the red cross. Assessment management also works on the library model. Each assessment corresponds to a library. Each library has several groups of criteria. The plus button on the right opens these groups to access the different criteria in order to modify, delete or add new ones. Another important point of the administration module is the management of direct mail templates. By default you have for each module a file in Word format, containing all the fields of the module available for mail merge. You also have the possibility of creating your own personalized models from the various codes entered in the template. For example, you can create a letter for an individual by taking the desired fields from the template, and add it to the mailing templates via the administration module. Once added, this model is made available to users from the direct mail manual of an individual's file, which gives access to the various models available. This concludes this video on the main features of the administration module.